guests, faculty and staff, college deans, Professor Renita D. Bilbao, and Professor Joselito C. Tacumos. The Chancellors, Dr. Alan A. Bautista of Cluster 1, Dr. Cecilia B. Pastelion of Cluster 2, and Dr. Gloria P. Sarabia of Cluster 3. University key officials, Dr. Araceli M. Bobadilla, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Demetria A. San Juan, Vice President for Administration and Finance, Dr. Hermie D. Estrabo, Vice President for